Hi guys, welcome to the today's session of design and analysis of algorithms. In this session, we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of decrease and conquer algorithm design strategy of module 8. Coming to the decrease and conquer algorithm design strategy, it is a general problem solving strategy in computer science, and it involves breaking down a problem into smaller subproblems, solving these subproblems independently, and then combining the solutions to solve the original problem. But decrease and conquer problem, in case of this one, we are going to decrease the problem and we are going to divide the problem. So both can be included here. Here we can have decreasing by a constant factor, decreasing by 1, or a variable decreasing. Like that, we have different methods in that. Coming to the advantages and disadvantages of decrease and conquer method. So here you can see the advantages: efficiency, modularity, simplicity, reusability, parallelism, and optimization opportunities. These are all the various advantages that are present in decrease and conquer method. Now we will see the advantages one by one. Now here first, if you are seeing efficiency, decrease and conquer technique often results in efficient algorithms, and especially if the subproblems can be solved in parallel or with significantly reduced input sizes. Coming to modularity, breaking down a problem into smaller manageable subproblems promotes modularity in the algorithm design and makes it easier to understand and maintain the problem and solve the problem. Coming to simplicity, decrease and conquer approaches often simplify complex problems by breaking them into smaller, more manageable components. Coming to reusability, subproblems in decrease and conquer techniques can often be reused in different contexts or within the same problem, improving the algorithm's efficiency. So the solutions of subproblems can be reused. Coming to parallelism, many decrease and conquer algorithms are amenable to parallelization and allows us for efficient uses of parallel processing architectures, and which increases the speed up in the process. Coming to optimization, solving subproblems independently provides opportunities for optimizing the solution for each subproblem and potentially leads to an optimized overall solution. So these are all the advantages of decrease and conquer method. And coming to the disadvantages, here we have many disadvantages: overhead, not always suitable; solution complexity, difficulty in identifying the subproblems; recursive overhead, and depending on subproblem solutions. So these are all the disadvantages that are present in decrease and conquer method. Now we are going to see each and every disadvantage. First, coming to the overhead, the approach of breaking down a problem into subproblems and combining their solutions may introduce overhead, additional overhead, due to the need for combining results and managing recursion. Now, not always suitable. The decrease and conquer method may not be suitable for all types of problems, particularly those where the subproblems will naturally reduce in size or complexity. Now, solution complexity. Combining solutions from subproblems may introduce complexities in the final solution, especially if the combining step is non-trivial. And difficulty in identifying the subproblems. Identifying the appropriate subproblems and determining their relationships can sometimes be challenging and leading to a less effective application of the decrease and conquer approach. And recursive overhead. Recursive algorithms often used in decrease and conquer method. These may introduce additional memory uses and falling stack overhead and potentially affecting the performance of method. And depending on subproblem solutions, the approach always lies heavily on the correctness and efficiency of subproblem solutions. If subproblem solutions are incomplete or inefficient, it can propagate to the overall solutions, and we cannot get the correct or exact solution for the given complex problem. So these gives the disadvantages which are present in our decrease and conquer method. So I hope that you all understood all the advantages and disadvantages in decrease and conquer method. So thank you for listening the session.